Alright, 9Z4B, I'm Leon here. Alright, showing my climbable telescopic mast with some steps made. And all I did was cut some angle iron, use some 2¼ muffler U-clamps. Alright. Painted it with some gray primer. Right. Nice thing about around my QDH here is I have this basement and I have some walls. So instead of digging hole and casting in the ground, I was able to use a drill through the walls and use some very strong clamps to hold it. So this bottom pipe is actually about, I think it's about 12 feet. This is something actually hard. So I just utilize it. So I'll show how easy it is to climb up on this thing. And you're using a belt. Right, so I don't reach what the next pipe going into this bottom piece. Here I am. Climb it easy. Again, this pipe is probably about a schedule 40 or schedule 80 pipe. So it could take a lot of weight, a lot of stress. Let's give this top pipe a little coating from some end of spray paint I had. So, is it there?